So yeah, dug some posts, put some targets and staple some cardboard here. Got that. Built a berm. Post holes, more targets. Got all kinds. Got more targets here.
The horn.
Gotta upgrade the range here. Yeah.
My fucking shooting to my left is fucking shitty.
Yeah. You got like a pen or something we can mark these with?
That's fine, I remember.
Alright.
That's not too bad, I guess. Shooting on the move, it's been a while.
Got a couple of the bottles, yeah. After his first run, we didn't get it on camera, but got to sit up, we're ready to go.
Yeah. It's all good right now.
On you.
Yeah. Hey. Explain life, can I feel the wave? Is it leaving me? Ever since I heard everything, I'm changing things. I've been on the way. I'm just trying to find my way. Lord, please forgive me all my sins away. I've been on my forgetting time just to translate all of these myself. I ain't saying that I need a girl, but I can do it myself. I've been calling me last lately. These are problems to raise my hand. Now they really crazy over lately. It drives me crazy. They slither through. I've been going through some trials. I really think I need you now.
Got it. There you go.
You take me forward.
Lord, forgive me for my sins. But it feels like I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy. You're gonna lie to me. Lie to me. Are you gonna cry for me? But it feels like I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy. Get your feelings out, need it now. Tired of pain, I'm tired of the doubt. Listen to my heart drown out. In my soul, who do I follow now? Too wise now. I can take a step back with the courage shot and tell it's my time now. It's my time now. Feeling like the whole world a lie. What I learned probably isn't right. Knowledge, power, but a bit confusion. I admit that I think I'm clueless. Searching life, never need the answers. Missing places. While I'm trading places, a new guy came to life. It was a birth to life. Hope and flow is not easy. Get whatever God feed me. Would it let me miss some easy? Cause my grave can't defeat me.
Absolutely terrible.
Yeah, more and you know when it rolls.
Real!
Do it again.
I do it. You're doing something. You just chuck. You gotta throw it upward. So like with the sling.
It worked. What are you talking about?
But yeah, but it hit your shoulder and it stayed.
Where it stayed where it needs to be.
Pretty much like.
Is that not where it needs to be? Hey, is that not where it needs to be?
Yeah.
Totally burned the fuck out of my neck right there.
That's what you get for talking your
Shit.
shit.
You're talking that shit.
Talking your shit.
All right, let's do this.
You ready?
You know I really rose. Hey,
I don't know how that works.
Better days, lonely nights. In a dream, turn on the lights. I can feel my soul inside. Door open, suicide. Better days, lonely nights.
Straight up
In a dream, turn on the lights. I can feel my soul
Ah,
inside.
that's like on the
Suicide.
top of the top line of that.
Lord, forgive me for my sins. I don't know where I should begin, but it feels like I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy. And are you gonna ride for me? Ride for me, man. Are you
I think I made a hole in the same spot, but
lie to me? Are you gonna cry for me? But it feels like I'm going crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah. But it feels like I'm going crazy.
Where do you want me to shoot at?
you see that glow hole on the bottom there, a little glowy hole?
Bottom one?
Yeah, on top of it. A little bit higher. There you go.
I had to get rid of some hollow points, so.
Oh yeah, I guess we do.
All right.
The warranty's still good on that?
The warranty's still pretty good. What do you think? There's a bottle in it. I don't know how that happened.
Rounds are tearing it up. There's still some little fragments in here. There's 9 and 40. Let's see, they're stuck up in there. See if we can catch somebody in here in the laptop screen.
That's what the screen consists of, though. Huh.
Alrighty. Nice. 9130 Mosin gun.
I needed this.
Yeah, I
This is a
know.
good time. I needed this moment. So much done in one day. Cleaned my car because it was full of puke. I had no choice. Got the shoot.
I think we got him.
Woo! I couldn't find that, so it's all good. Alright. That's good!
No earplugs?
Yeah. I said I was gonna shoot. You said you were gonna measure something, and I said your
With
dick.
bullets!